Ladies and gentlemen, we just had an M1.53 pop off at 1740 UTC. Again, that would be 5:40 p.m. UTC time. So this goes on to 24-hour time zone, which is why it does the double digits. So 5:40 UTC, we had an M flare. Let's go take a peek. Actually, I'm almost willing to bet you I already know which region it is. In fact, just to remind some of y'all, we're gonna go right back over here. Now, you guys remember me telling you about 2929? Remember I said that I'm pretty sure we're not done seeing anything from that. See how close it's getting? The two sunspots? Yeah. I'm willing to bet you it's from 2929. Let's go see here in just a second. Checking out our X-ray absorption chart, it looks like we started out right around 1707, or actually, oh, I gotta hit this again, sorry. Looks like it started right at about 1700, almost exactly. Interesting. And then it slowly comes up. Actually, this is actually pretty fast when you think about it. And looks like we peaked right here at 1745 UTC time, absorbing about 27 decibels, judging by the color. Got that little pink. So yeah, I'd say right around in here, about 27 decibels worth of X-ray radiation. Again, imagine going and standing and getting an X-ray, but having no shielding and having the source a whole lot stronger. So South America, watch out, you guys are getting bombarded. If you're up here, up into the Kansas area, we were actually getting quite a bit too. Looks like, judging by the color, we were getting about 17 to maybe 20 decibels for frequency. So yeah, we're definitely taking it, folks. Right on the chin. Let's see how long this event lasts. So we had 1700, and it's actually still currently in event mode. Yay. Over here on Ace Mag and CWAP, look at this. Oh, missing data. Go figure, right? But over here, according to the Enlil, the Sumerian Anunnaki god that everybody knows of in the Bible, look at this. Everything's just fine and dandy and just kind of slowly raises. Yeah, we know that's baloney. Oh yeah, we're going to go through this a little bit here, folks. I've actually got it already keyed up and ready to go. And let us see where our pop is. There was 1700. Oh, here's the action right over here. Right over here. What one is that? 2929. See the filaments starting to come off of there? We'll back it up just a little bit. Oh yeah, she's building up. Ooh, look at that. She's building up and whoosh. Oh yeah. That was a pretty good one. That's a good M-class. Pow. You see all that plasma coming out with it? Yep. So, and you can see it coming across. You can see it going across the surface of the sun this way, and this way. So it's definitely a little solar tsunami out of that. Look at the shock on that. As above, so below. We got blasted with a rod of God there in Tonga. Something's going to have to pop on the sun, though, right? So we know that we got plasma incoming. Let's go check out another angstrom. And here we are looking at 94 angstroms of light. Ooh, I gotta come here, you little bugger, you. Alright. 94 angstroms. Let's give a good watch of it. Oh yeah, and we also had a big, do you see that big jump? Yeah, 10 hours. Look down here, 635, 1615. Yeah, thanks for the 10 hours of missing data, jerks. And yep, we can see you're building up. Ooh, beautimous. Very obvious. And we're going to come over here to 193 angstroms of light. And I've already got it zoomed in and ready to go. And look at that. Oh yeah. That's a pretty nice movement. See the shock? See how you can literally see it come all the way out here. Watch. Ooh, I'm going backwards. Ha! Whoosh. You see that? That is a good solar tsunami and a good amount of plasma. And that is coming our direction. We are actually sitting over here, as far as the sun goes. We're probably more down here in the southern region, not the northern. So when it comes out, now granted, we're not right in front of it, but off in the distance. So every direction that went, that plasma is inbound. Wow, look at this. This is a pretty interesting looking design on the sun, isn't it? In fact, actually, kind of look at it this way. Turn your head to the right a little bit. It almost looks like a little alien, doesn't it? With his big eyes. Or even an eagle talon if you turn your head the other way. Just observation. And here we are at one of my favorites. This is an overlay of 211, 193, and 171. And the reason I love this one so much is you can really see what's going on because it overlays all of the those angstroms, so you can really see. Now, see, look at this. You can really see the shock wave. Now, it doesn't give us as much because it takes a little bit to combine the data, but you can really see, not only see the flare really well, but you can see the amount of plasma and the shock wave that's coming off of that. That's actually pretty good. If we actually back it up, you'll see the one before it. Oh, maybe not. Just a little bit. Oh, it's swung up on me. They've been messing with my videos a lot lately. Have you guys noticed? Sorry about that, but there's nothing I can do about it. They're the ones that keep messing with it, the algorithm. Alright, so we know that we're going to be getting impacted with that because right over here we have stereo ahead. Okay, now let me show you guys what I mean by stereo ahead. Okay, here's Earth, this yellow dot here. Okay, because we can see up here the yellow dot, that's Earth. Okay, so the red square facing like this would be stereo ahead. Stereo B is right over here. So stereo ahead is looking at the sun. So when we see something popping off the right side, okay, it would actually be coming more at us. Now, the stereo ahead used to be out here a little bit more, and so did stereo B. They were a little bit further out, but now they're a little bit closer. So we should be seeing it coming off about this side, and when we see it come off this side, oh goodness gracious, sorry about that. When we see this coming off, and it looks like it's going to be shooting straight to the right, it's actually going right at stereo B. So we'll see a spike in plasma and radiation on stereo B when we're looking at our graphs a little bit later on once it reaches it. So again, over to here, this is from stereo ahead, so we should be watching it coming off the right side right here because this is about right where we know where it's at. So let's go ahead and hit our go button, and if it'll catch up, yep, boom, there it is. See that? Zoom in on here for you. Boom, right off the right side. So we are going to be getting impact with that. Oh, look at all those little friends flying around. Zoom, zoom. It's kind of funny. It reminds me of those Mazda commercials. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, zoom, zoom, zoom. And we got friends all over the place. So stay safe out there, folks. Man, I kid you not, I'm going to be walking around with an aluminum foil hat on my head here pretty soon. I don't want my brain to fry. Y'all stay safe and remember that love is the only way forward.